everyone! Welcome to my very first Everyday Malay video. My name is Chevy and today I'll be going over some very basic greetings in the Malay language. So just a brief introduction about myself. English is my first language and Malay is my second. In Malaysia, if you attend a government school, all subjects are taught in the Malay language apart from English class, which is why most Malaysians are at the very least bilinguals. So the Malay language or Bahasa Melayu is not a tonal language. It is gender neutral and it does not have tenses, which is pretty awesome. So for example, eat, ate, eaten is makan, makan, makan. Alright, so before we begin our first lesson, I just want to go through the vowel pronunciations in the Malay language. For A, E, I, O, U, it is pronounced as A, E, O, U. When I attended high school in California, I learned a little bit of Spanish and I noticed that the vowel pronunciation for Spanish is pretty similar to Malay. So if you have learned Spanish before or are a Spanish speaker, I think it might come a little bit easier for you in terms of pronunciation. But if I'm wrong, just disregard what I said. Okay. So what do you say when you meet someone? Now, in the Malay language, there isn't really a word for hi or hello, but those are two very common words used when we greet someone. So for example, when you meet someone, hi, hello, apa khabar? Apa khabar means how are you? And you respond with khabar baik or baik sihat. Khabar baik means doing good, baik means good, baik sihat means good, well. I'm good, I'm well. Another common way to begin a conversation is by asking if they've already eaten. So something like, hi, hello, apa khabar, sudah makan? Or dah makan. Sudah makan means eaten already, and you respond with sudah or dah, which means yes, or belum, which means no. Okay, so let's do this again. Let's just play the entire conversation again. Hi, hello, apa khabar? Khabar baik. Sudah makan? Sudah. Alright, that's it for today's lesson. Thank you for watching and don't forget to hit the like and subscribe button to this channel. Thank you. Bye.